Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the first time that I got punched in the face by this guy.
Let you count it for me, baby, cause you hold me down. And when you with me, it's a feeling, all you do is smile. It ain't no chick up in this world that could replace you now. That's why I spin it on you now, because you hold me down. I grab the chopper and the clips, I got you loaded now. I spin the block, I got you hanging out the window now. See, that's my baby, that's my shawty, my little rider now.
We're in the car of actually your very own J&D. In the back, actually, they drive a Ferrari. Just kidding, no.
They're not that rich. We're on our way to fucking Portland.
There's no backseat in Ferrari, that's how you know you're born.
There isn't?
No.
See, that's how you know we don't have. I didn't even know they didn't have a backseat to a Ferrari.
Right, so we're on our way to fucking Portland to get tattoos from random strangers for no particular reason with money that we don't have.
We're going to a tattoo convention, and Shawa has an appointment. We're actually on our way to get our other friend Sanders, and all of us are hopefully gonna get a tattoo as well. Seeking discomfort.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Life of J&D.
We got a few extra people here. I'm pretty sure you guys already know Perez from the last video, if you watched it. And now we got Dirty Sanchez over here, Robles.
What's up?
And we got Sanders here.
Yo, what's going on?
So we're all headed to Portland right now to get a tattoo. I got my appointment, so I'm getting my tattoo, but hopefully they can get theirs. And then I'll like just meet a tattoo artist, whatever. And maybe they can get a tattoo, you never know. This is actually gonna be Sanders' first tattoo if she gets one.
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin.
How you feel if you get one? Are you excited to get one, or are you just like...
I'm excited, I'm scared too. I don't like pain, so hopefully it works out.
I'm telling you, once you get it, once you start feeling it, you're gonna be like, whoa, this feels like...
You're like, I need off the pain.
Yeah, it's not.
It's like sick.
You're like, just give me the needles, I'll do it myself.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try it, man, I'm gonna see.
yeah, we'll see.
That's how you don't roll fucking suicide.
Yeah, y'all in Are you gonna tell them what you're getting, or you want to wait until we get there to show them?
He's getting Danielle's name tatted on his neck.
On my neck? I don't know about that, man.
You getting my name, babe?
Yeah, on my ass.
We're gonna cut that part out.
Yeah, she didn't like that. Like, no smiles at all, man.
Yeah, so I think we're like an hour out, an hour and a half out, so. Alright guys, we'll see you guys with some more funny stuff at the convention center.
We're here at the convention center. Babe, you ready?
I don't know. How's it looking so far?
Man, so many options.
She cannot make up her mind.
I think I'm gonna go with the first guy that I see. But I'm still looking around though, I don't know.
Yeah, so she wants like a heart. It's her first tattoo, but she wants a sacred heart. The plan is for everyone to get a tattoo today, even Danielle.
I already know what I want, if I do.
Yeah, we're not saying it on purpose because we want to show you, but I don't know, I'm super nervous because I'm picturing it in my head one way, but I hope it comes out a certain way, like close to how I'm picturing it. So I don't know. We'll see. What are you thinking about getting?
I don't know. I'm just looking at every artist's work. Like this right now, it's a heart. It's speaking out to me. I'm trying to convince Sanders that a tattoo is personal. You know? It doesn't even have to be if it's like.
Yeah, well, that's why she wants the heart.
Yeah.
Because it's personal for me. That's why I want to get it, because that's how I feel right now. So I want to get a tattoo, and I want to make sure it makes sense.
Hey,
well, it's my first time, you know, I'm a virgin at this.
Well, let's see what ends up happening. We'll get back with you guys whenever it's done. Whenever we figure out what's gonna happen.
Yeah, like right there.
That's what she's planning on getting. How you feel?
I'm nervous. It's hell. Very nervous. Very nervous.
She was upset because of the price, but I was like, hey, this is an investment, you know? Hey, so we got 1 out of 5. She's about to get a tattoo. it was actually pretty cool. This girl is actually getting her tattoo in the back. She thought it would be pretty cool to take it out to get off the chair, and that way she can get her first tattoo. So that's pretty cool. So we got 1 out of 5. I'm next. So we'll see if everyone else is gonna get one.
So we got our first 2 tattoos going, and now they're just sizing them out.
You wanted it like right here.
Yeah, man. Right here.
Hey guys, it's game time. I don't think they can see it from there.
So it took a while. So our appointment was supposed to be at 12, but
It's now
1:36. And so like it was tough for the artist, but like he figured it out. It's super cool. I trust him now.
shout out to our artist Shane Long.
Yeah.
For those of you that are in the Tacoma area, check him out. We'll link his Instagram down in the description.
Yeah. So we're obviously in Portland, right? He tattoos in Tacoma, but we're here in Portland and we're at a tattoo convention. And his printer for the
one
stencil printer. It wasn't printing out all the lines right, so he figured it out, and now I gotta put it on me. We're waiting for it to dry out, and so we get it started in a couple of minutes. So I'm excited, man. This is my biggest piece, like
4 to 5 hours. Right?
I said 3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Yeah, but I'm excited, man. I've been wanting this tattoo for a long time.
I'm excited too.
Finally getting it. And she's the only one left that needs to get a tattoo. Everyone's already getting tattoos as we speak. But she's like, I'm not too sure. But I told her, you know, might as well just go ahead and get it. So, you guys need to comment down below.
Comment down below if you guys think I'm gonna leave with a tattoo.
Yeah. Go ahead.
We'll see.
Hopefully we can get a cool time lapse of the whole tattoo. And that'll be a pretty cool shot. So we'll get back with you guys. We'll check in with you guys later, like in an hour or so.
Okay, so while Joel is getting his, I'm gonna go check on Sanders and Robles. See how they're doing.
And the outline shit hurt. He outlined it right now.
Now to go check on how Perez is doing. How you doing?
It's like when you get a haircut and they like go over your neck. It's like, oh, can you just keep going? It's coming out really well.
I like it.
What do you guys think? It's always a trip because like before they tattoo, it's like in blue. It's like it's an ink, you know?
Yeah.
And I don't know, it gives you like a different perception of like what it could be, you know?
What's up, YouTube?
These nachos were $11. There was like 3 chips in it. The rest was like chicken. It's a nice shirt, by the way.
Thank you.
Where'd you get it?
Leeway.
Leeway? Leeway.
Leeway.
Leeway. It's my shirt. That's my shirt.
I don't see the receipt.
Yeah? I'm not about to have you take off your shirt right now.
Yeah?
Give it back. Yeah. We're just waiting for what's his face? Chavo to finish his tattoo.
Chocolate dip in the middle. A little sexy right here, you know, coming live from you from Portland, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, see? Hey, you just started your own channel right here.
No, I'm just
See that confidence?
I'm just
That came out of
kidding.
nowhere.
Yeah. She's pulling
Like, I
moves.
got a tattoo now. I'm all hard.
She's pulling moves.
I hate him.
She's pulling moves on the subscribers, man. All right, so we all just got out of the damn Portland tattoo convention, and it's pretty successful. You know, we all got tattoos.
First tattoo, that shit hurt. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh
I don't think
yeah,
I'm gonna get another one. I don't know. I mean, it looks good. Like I like the, you know, after they finish, it looks real high. It was pretty good. You know, pretty successful. I ain't like the cost of it, but you know, whatever.
it's an investment on yourself.
I'm still trying to learn what he's talking about because he keeps saying it's an investment on yourself. I'm still trying to get it. I'm trying to understand.
Because your body's a piece of art. You turn your body into a piece of art.
Unless you already think it's a piece of art.
Yeah, unless you already think it's a piece of art.
Yeah.
We're heading to Joe's Crab Shack right now. Robles does not like seafood, so it's gonna be interesting.
So we're here at Joe's Crab Shack. We're on our way home right now. We have about an hour drive, but we're going to go ahead and close out the video here. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, check us out on social media. Everything will be linked down below. And we'll see you guys next time.
If you guys like cool drone shots, check out our last video.
The California vlog.
Yeah. I have some cool shots